Hey there, welcome back to Simple Learn Tactics. Today we're going to talk about a game changer for website optimization, Splittest Monkey V3. If you're a website owner and not split testing, you're leaving money on the table. Stick around and we'll show you how to stop that. Did you know that many website owners neglect split testing, and as a result, they're losing revenue? Recent studies have shown that those who don't split test their sites are leaving money on the table. But fear not, we've got a solution. Enter Splittest Monkey V3, the ultimate tool for optimizing your website. With this powerful tool, you can test on up to 10 sites simultaneously, and for a limited time, you get personal help as a bonus. Say goodbye to wasted traffic, lost subscribers, and missed sales. Website optimization isn't just for experts. Anyone can do it. Whether you're an email list builder, product vendor, affiliate marketer, or in any online business, Splittest Monkey V3 has got you covered. We've got test ideas for everyone. But here's the best part. Splittest Monkey V3 makes split testing a breeze. You don't need to be a tech guru to use it. It's user-friendly and effective. Let's dive into a few examples. Email list builders, you can test lead magnets, sign-up buttons, and button colors to boost your subscriber rates. Product vendors, optimize your sales and upsell pages, headlines, pricing, and more to increase profits. Affiliate marketers, test your promo pages and reviews to get more clicks and bigger commissions. Social media marketers, optimize share buttons, calls to action, and grow your following. Media buyers and advertisers, reduce costs and increase ROI with split testing. Split testing is an ongoing process that helps you stay ahead of the competition. Implement these test ideas, and you'll optimize your website's performance, ultimately boosting your profits. And here's the kicker. Splittest Monkey V3 takes the boredom and complexity out of split testing. It's user-friendly and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, split testing is a must-have in your toolkit. Don't waste days creating offers that don't convert. Optimize your website with Splittest Monkey V3 and see real results. That wraps up today's video on Splittest Monkey V3, the ultimate tool for optimizing your website. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.